50 years ago, a small group of activists set sail for a nuclear test zone in an old fishing boat. Departing from Vancouver, the goal of the 12 people aboard the small ship dubbed the Greenpeace was to halt a U.S. nuclear weapons test at 𝗀𝗃𝗃𝗃 Island off the coast of Alaska. Out of that first act of protest in 1971, Greenpeace was formed, and in 5 decades we have grown from this small group to a global environmental organization that operates in 57 countries and works alongside allies and mass movements around the world. Over time, we have campaigned on many environmental issues, deployed different nonviolent tactics in different places all over the earth. But the heart of what we do hasn't changed. We give this fragile earth a voice, we inspire hope through action, we believe that 1 billion acts of courage can spark a brighter tomorrow. As part of our 50th anniversary, we are looking back at all that has been achieved and look forward to all the work we must do to ensure a green and just future for all.